facility will help us to increase access to excellence through high-quality academic programs that unleash an individual's potential.
What excites me most about the Dr. Phillips Nursing Pavilion is our ability to change lives, to spread our wings, and to impact the community with more nurses.
Our partnership with Dr. Phillips Charities has created immeasurable impact. This investment addresses our state's critical nursing shortage and will ultimately benefit millions of patients and their families and serve as a catalyst for additional support.
It's really fantastic that the College of Nursing and the College of Medicine are so close together. We will be able to collaborate with our peers. It will advocate interdisciplinary research, and we're really feeling good about that.
I'm excited to see what we can do in partnership with the College of Medicine and interdisciplinary, like between nurses and physicians.
I'm excited to be with you here today as we break ground on a true symbol of community partnership. When this community comes together to meet a need that will improve lives, there is nothing we can't do.
We value the fact that our state, our community, and our partners all believe in nursing. They recognized the shortage and they said, we know UCF, you can do it. So the fact that this group stepped up to help fund this building, to make this dream a reality, is just purely magical and impressive.
We have now almost 90,000 square feet of space for our students to have the opportunity to expand their knowledge and their skills in a safe environment, so they are ready to go in the field and be, like we say, practice ready.
The new facility will be amazing for us because we will have this amazing STEM center that will allow us to get hands-on experience before we even go to the hospital and touch patients.
We are going to have state-of-the-art new simulation equipment, so we're going to be able to train our nurses in the best technologies so that we have the best patient outcomes.
I think it's beneficial because we have a bigger area to work in and hands-on experience, so it really helps us have that shift between student and nurse.
The growth of the College of Nursing for Florida means having the space for innovative research, for collaborations with our clinical partners, and for the future of our profession.
Healthcare is dynamic and changing every day. It challenges healthcare workers, and night nurses are leaders, they're innovators, researchers, and that meets that need, and I'm so excited for what this means for our community.
I'm excited to see how the nursing program is being elevated as a member of the health sciences, because nurses are a huge part of promoting accessibility of care, not only quality of care, but finding an opportunity to treat the most underserved in our society, which we as nurses are closest to.
Nursing, you look at the shortage that's out there and the demand that's out there and the need. We've got a population growing 1,000 a week here in Central Florida. We have a boomer population, which I happen to be part of, that continues to age, and demand on nursing continues to grow. So we know the need is there.
I'm most excited for the fact that we're taking some real action to address the nursing shortage. I think we can all agree everybody's short-staffed, and that makes it hard to give your all as a new nurse because there's not enough of you to give, but with more nurses out there, we can do more for our patients and represent night nurses even better.
There's a national shortage of nursing faculty. So that's another opportunity that this new building will provide for us and the state of Florida, is to have more nurse educators to provide for more programs, more spots for students.
I love being a professor here, and the idea that I get to work with more students is thrilling. Over 60% of our students stay locally within the Central Florida area, and we have some outstanding hospitals here.
It is not an investment for tomorrow, it's an investment beyond those of us that are in our positions now, and I'm thankful that Orlando Health and others were able to come forward and make this kind of investment.
As we think about the workforce, the nursing workforce specifically, challenges ahead of us and how important it is for all of us as a community to partner together to create something that actually addresses what we're going to need for the future is critical.
Let me tell you the story of this bus. We're excited about our new space on the UCF Academic Health Sciences campus at Lake Nona, but it is distant from the main campus. We know that many of our students will need transportation down here. So we had this idea one day of, let's showcase that our nurses are coming from main campus down to the Lake Nona campus. And this building is literally fueling the future of nursing and healthcare.
I am so excited about the Dr. Phillips Nursing Pavilion because it will be the embodiment of what nursing at the University of Central Florida is. It will house so much learning, it will house so much research that will benefit our community for decades to come.
To have the state of Florida, the community step up today and rally around this project is something amazing. We are so grateful to our founding donors, Dr. Phillips Charities, Advent Health, Orlando Health, the Helene Fold Health Trust, and the Elizabeth Morris Genius Foundation, who've come together to support us in this really special initiative. We are also so grateful to our alumni, friends, faculty, and staff who've donated over many months to make this project come to fruition today.
UCF changed my career trajectory completely, and I know it will do the same for the nurses who are coming behind me. I am proud to be a night nurse.
I just think overall that the best part about this new facility is that the community giving this to us as students and to our future students means that we as nurses and all of our future nurses can give back to the community even more.
I always say everybody needs a nurse, and in particular they need a night nurse, and to charge on and save lives.
Thank you, everyone.